The constant habit of eating every few hours is truly an addiction. It gives instant gratification. It doesn't matter what you're eating, just that you're eating all the time. Like alcohol, gambling, or sugar addiction, it triggers the same reward centers in the brain. We live in a world of instant rewards, and once we're primed for one, it's easy to slip into others. This eating pattern is no different. It's an addiction we must break. Our dopamine centers are conditioned from a young age. The book Dopamine Nation explains how priming in one area can lead to addiction in another, and food is one of them. To change eating habits, we need to look at our whole life. Are we addicted to caffeine, sugar, alcohol, or even screens? Once people see this, they realize how deeply the pattern runs. Here's what happens. You eat, insulin rises, everything goes into storage. After a few hours, glycogen breaks down for energy. When that runs out after 18 to 20 hours, your body burns fat and produces ketones for fuel. That's how it's designed. But constant eating keeps insulin high, locking you in fat storage mode. Insulin should rise and fall, not stay elevated. Eating too often leads to insulin resistance, and that's the root of today's metabolic problems. Nearly 57% of modern calories come from processed foods. Before fasting, we must fix what we eat. Jumping straight into diets causes withdrawal and failure. Instead, switch to real, whole foods. Many think meat is bad, but research doesn't support that. Grass-fed beef, organic chicken, and eggs are natural, nutrient-rich foods. You are what you eat and what your food ate. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.